Honey,
Yes.
how was your short break?
Well, I changed my shirt. Goal accomplished.
You did. Look, you are ready for Toy Story Land.
I am.
So what we're going to do is go to
Toy Story
Land. When we're up for Rise of the Resistance, we'll chop over to there, do that. However, I might put that footage in with the Star Wars footage from earlier. I don't know yet.
I mean,
We'll
that makes
play it
sense
by
to
ear.
kind of keep
Yeah.
it all together.
And then we'll go back to Toy Story Land to do that kind of stuff.
Right.
I also brought the backup camera to do some videos in Toy Story Land.
We're blowing through batteries.
We're blowing through batteries real fast. So if audio and visual change, like in and out between scenes, that's why.
Yes.
But you know, we'll make it up as we go. So honey,
Yes.
the real question is, how many times am I going to go record something and not hit the right button because the button's in a different spot on this
Because you
camera?
have no idea how to use that
Because I have
one?
no idea how to use this camera. Good times. But we are headed back into Hollywood Studios. Yay, it's like we're getting excited all over again. And we were already here once. But now it's for a whole different experience. It will be completely different than Star Wars.
Yeah.
Like, I love that about these parks.
Exactly.
And we're back!
Just like
Yay, just like that. I'm not sure how well we recorded on the way in the first time because I was all
so
like
much going on.
giddy
like,
and
oh
happy
my
and
God.
excited and didn't know what to look at.
Right.
So we will walk this all the way down to Toy Story Land just because I can now. I know I have enough batteries. I got 2 batteries for this camera and I still got 1.5 batteries for the other camera, which I want to use in the evening more for the shows. But just look at all the decorations. Like, I love it. Like, everywhere you look, decorations. And balloons and...
Oh, do you see the BB-8 balloon?
No.
BB-8 balloon.
Oh yeah.
That's cute. Oh,
Go! I wasn't planning on stopping, but now I'm glad I know I could go. One thing I would like to do if we have time, and we're running low on time,
yeah, we are.
even though we have 7 hours left, I want to go check out the tree at night. If we could get over there.
I'm hoping we can.
We'll see.
I just wanted to buy something.
Still a line for event merchandise. Everyone wants their I was here for opening day of Rise of Resistance merchandise.
I want it.
Well, maybe later we'll go get it.
I doubt it.
There's the Chinese theater in front of us. I hate how they have that stage there all the way up until they go to do the projection shows. But then again, there's nothing in the theater. Mickey's Runaway Railroad doesn't open until middle next year, I think.
You don't have to.
But
I can't wait to ride it though.
that would be awesome when we come back and ride that. But yeah. Okay, experiment. See if we record ourselves on this camera since we don't have a screen.
I know.
We got sidetracked by more photos.
I need
Shocker, right? Now we're headed back to Toy Story Land. Hopefully. Honey,
I'm starting to see it.
I see it already, and I see Woody over there.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
all the Tinker toys. That's so cool.
Like, we still got a ways to walk, and oh, I love it already. Slinky coaster, yay! Cannot wait to go on that. It's gonna be a little bit of a wait for us, but hey, that's okay. We do have one fast pass for Midway Mania.
I love that.
I think that's the name of it.
I think so.
Which we'll do. And so yeah, oh my gosh, the pictures, the amount of pictures we're gonna be taking here is gonna be amazing. So what we're gonna do is get in line for photos in front of the sign, because we have to, because the sign is awesome.
Yeah, it is.
Ooh, this thing zoomed fast. Then we're going to go right next line over, and we're gonna meet Woody. No, we're gonna meet Buzz. Buzz is there now. And then we'll go in and explore more of the land. What I love about this already is they got this whole land decked out for Christmas.
Yeah, they do.
They got ornaments hanging from the sign. They have big Christmas lights hanging from the ropes. I mean, I like it.
Wait, no, you over there. You're my favorite deputy. No,
Hey, it's
the
me.
other one.
It's me.
It's you?
Shucks, you're
Is
all
it
my
you?
favorite deputies.
We're all his favorite deputies.
No, it's me.
Buzz Lightyear, how are you doing? I love the festive Santa Claus hat. You're like really into season. Loving it. You gotta be. Is everyone else that festive? Oh yeah, all around? They're all over the place. Awesome. Let's get a picture. Loved meeting Buzz.
Yeah,
He's a great guy.
he is.
Now, I think the plan is to jump in line for Slinky Coaster.
Yes.
That's the longest wait we had this evening for a ride. At this portion of the evening, at least.
Right.
So we're gonna jump in line. We're gonna ride that. We'll reassess where we're at in the world, and we'll go from there. So, I love the theming. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to like be here when the sun goes down and all the lights light up and everything. Love it. Yeah, oh wow.
Welcome, new toys. Rex and me are just adding some pretty fine touches to Andy's backyard.
Oh, cool.
Whoa, this tower's not very steady. Can't we get Buzz to help decorate, or Wheezy, or Sarge, or anyone?
They have all like, oh, I just love everything about this. While we're walking, I'm just checking out all the theming swirling saucers. Definitely want to do that later. Super cool. Is this the end? I think this is the end.
Oh, no, it's across the bridge, I think.
Oh, no, it's not the end. Not the end. It's the Slinky Dog Dash. Yay. Let's go check out the launch. The launch is one of the best parts of this.
Here we go.
And they're off. Whee! Like, even the roof of the entrance is fun to look at. Oh my gosh. Let's make our way through the line. There'll be a lot to look at in closer detail as we go through this line. But yeah. It's a piece of track Andy didn't use to make his coaster. Like, the theming. Like this little type of theming stuff is what I love. Love it.
I do too. It's amazing.
I want a Dash and Dodge Mega Coaster kit. I mean, you get all these parts.
20 decorative flags.
Who cares about the flags? I want the 15 straight, the 15 curve, the 10 vertical, and the 10 dip.
What about 80 support things?
Well, yeah, you need the supports. And it's easy assembly. Once again, though, no matter where you're looking, like there's theming everywhere. Like even on the ceiling, even on Kristen's shirt, there's theming everywhere.
Yes, there is.
Honey, want to know what happens when the engineer gets bored? They start adding up all the piece counts and to compare it to the number of pieces, 425 that are in the kit. What did we get?
250.
250. There might be another page we're missing.
Maybe.
And here it is, Andy's original design for the Slinky coaster. Take the Dash and Dog coaster and put a Slinky Dog on top of it. Brilliant. It's so close, yet so far away.
I know, right?
Oh, like I could see it, but the line is still long. There it is. There is the final plan that Andy came up with. And there's the Slinky Dog coaster right there. We are almost there. I could feel it now. I love how his tail keeps wagging even when he stops. And there, that is our Slinky Dog.
Is that our boat?
That's our boat. No, that's our dog. And that's our seat. Here we go. I should have used all the camera when you get to there.
Oh my goodness.
Back we go. Here we go. That's the fun part.
That was awesome.
Did you like it?
That was so much fun.
Yay! That was a blast.
That was a blast.
However, I wasn't thinking and should have used all the camera because of the windscreen.
Yeah.
So you guys probably didn't hear a thing other than wind. But, oh my gosh, it's a fun ride.
That was so
You
much
do go faster than it looks like you're going. Although some of those hills you wonder if you're really going to get over.
I really thought that on the one. I was like, are we gonna make
But
it?
it was a good time. I think now that Slinky Dog is over, the next agenda is to grab something to eat.
A
'Cause
snack.
I'd be hungry. And then we're going to get pictures with the ball.
Yay.
Yeah. We're going to, what's it, Woody's? Is it Woody's? Woody's lunchbox?
I think so.
I think it is. We'll find out and let you know here in a second though.
Benny.
Like everything's made out of toys. I like it. So here's a better view of Woody's lunchbox. And I think we're going to get the brisket. And there's a holiday dessert tart that we're going to get too. Because it's the holidays, we got to try some holiday food. Well, that looks good, minus maybe the pickles I'll pick off and give to Kristen.
Yay, pickles.
Tots are awesome, and this tart, we'll look at that tart there afterwards. That is really good.
It's
Like,
mighty tasty.
whoever complains about theme park food, I don't understand, because everything we ate so far has been really good. Everything.
I don't know, I don't have high standards for theme park food though.
So maybe that's why this is so good, because it's above our regular theme park standards.
Right.
Maybe. Well, that was delicious.
It was good.
Let me tell you, this very festive looking thing also
looks
looks
cute.
delicious. This is the apple cinnamon one?
Yeah.
Yes, there's another one, I forget what it is.
Hazelnut and candied bacon.
That sounds possible. But this, go ahead babe, dig in. Come, break it open and show us what it looks like.
There's really not a lot to
The
show you.
suspense, the suspense. There,
There we
you
go.
Yeah, not a lot to show. Not super thick filling, but as long as it tastes good,
Right?
that's all that matters.
I want to eat the snowman.
No?
No, I do want to eat.
Oh, eat the snowman then. Good? Okay, I want to try. Wow, that was a good meal.
It was good. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, brisket was great. The tart, the holiday
That
tart
tart
was amazing.
It was.
We're gonna run to the restroom now, take some pictures on the way there and back, and then our fast pass for Toy Story Mania is up.
Yes.
So we're gonna go ride Toy Story Mania.